खानदानी लुटेरों की कोशिश होगी बेकार। फिर एक बार मोदी सरकार।
The Supreme Court granted relief to Baba Ramdev and Acharya Balkrishna in defamation case, appreciating their apology. The bench led by Justice Hema Kohli reprimanded Patanjali's lawyers for not submitting full newspapers pages, ordering the entire page to be filed. The next hearing is scheduled for May 14. During the session, Patanjali's lawyer Mukul Rohtagi raised concerns over Indian Medical Association's head's comments, urged strict scrutiny. The court rebuked Uttarakhand's drug licensing authority for belatedly suspending licenses, highlighting the need for prompt action. Ultimately, the court rejected the authority's affidavit, stressing on meticulousness during filings. The Delhi High Court denied bail to 3 suspected terrorists associated with the Indian Mujahideen in connection with the September 2008 Delhi serial blasts. The bench directed the trial court to conduct hearings at least twice a week. The accused, Mubin Qadar Sheikh, Saqib Nisar and Mansoor Asghar Pirboy had challenged the lower court's decision to grant them bail. The court rejected their plea, citing significant evidence linking them to the explosion. It's noteworthy that on September 13, 2008, a series of bomb blasts rocked various locations in Delhi, including Karol Bagh, Connaught Place and Greater Kailash, claiming several lives. In a major relief, the Supreme Court on Tuesday halted the trial against accused Sameer Sharad Kulkarni in the Malgaon bomb blast case. The court found that the central government had not granted permission to prosecute Kulkarni under Section 45 of the UAPA. The next hearing for the case is scheduled for July. The blast occurred in Malegaon, Maharashtra on September 29, 2008, resulting in 6 fatalities and over 100 injuries. In the ongoing hearing at the Supreme Court, Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal's petition was discussed for the second consecutive day. His lawyer Abhishek Manu Singhvi questioned the credibility of witness statements related to money laundering in the Delhi liquor scam case. Singhvi alleged pressure was exerted on Mangata Srinivasulu Reddy to testify against Kejriwal to secure bail for his son Raghav Mangata. Raghav was arrested last year on February 11th in connection with the liquor scam. Singhvi mentioned that Reddy had met Kejriwal over a charitable land issue not related to excise policy. The Supreme Court directed Additional Solicitor General S.V. Raju to respond by Friday. Former Deputy Chief Minister of Delhi Manish Sisodia faced another setback on Tuesday as the Rouse Avenue Court rejected his bail plea in the liquor policy case. This marks Sisodia's second unsuccessful attempt to obtain bail, with both the trial court and the Supreme Court having previously denied his requests. During the court hearing, the Enforcement Directorate opposed Sisodia's bail plea, asserting that he is a key conspirator in Delhi liquor policy case and thus ineligible for bail.